At trailblazing dynamic manufacturing incorporation, professionalism and efficiency define every transition. Today, we follow the process of hiring a new production supervisor, ensuring a seamless handover and structured recruitment.
And so, if it is okay to you, I will bring them into our recruitment process. Thank you.
Thank you all for coming. This is difficult for me to say, but due to my critical health condition, I want to step down in my role. I'll remain in this position until the end of this month to help with the transition.
Okay, scoring will be fair. We need a candidate who fit our team and work culture.
This test will assess your technical skills, leadership approach, and problem-solving abilities.
So we're looking for someone who excels in both technical knowledge and team management.
Let's review the results carefully before moving forward.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Charlene Grace Perez, and I am interested to apply in your vacant position as a production supervisor. And here's my requirements. Thank you.
Okay, I will call you if what is the result. So, thank you.
Thank you.
Miss Danica, can you please give this to our HR manager? Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So what's yours?
This is the requirements of the applicant.
Okay, just put it in the table.
Thank you. Have a seat, everyone. So I'd like to announce to all of you that to those who submitted their application letter and resume here will go to an employment test to conduct a employment test in our visitors room over there.
So, here is the employment test result. Morrow got 26/30, Perez got 29/30, and Simaco got 28/30. Congratulations. I'll send you the I'm just calling you to let you know that we've reviewed your application for a production supervisor position of our company, and you're one of the potential applicants.
Hello to ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'll do my best of it.
Applicant 1, it's your turn to the interview. Please follow me.
Good morning, Ms. Sumalpong. Tell me about yourself and why you are fit for this role.
I am a dedicated person, results-driven professional with a strong ability to lead, problem-solving, and optimize team performance. My experience in managing daily operations has equipped me with the skills to handle efficiently while fostering collaboration and accountability. So, hiring me means gaining a leader who is committed to excellence and continuous improvement.
Okay, Mr. Moro. On a scale 1 to 5, how would you rate your proficiency in managing daily operation and team performance? Explain your answer.
I honestly rate myself a 4 out of 5. While I have technical expertise, I still develop my management skills. I am eager to learn and grow into leadership roles.
Okay, Ms. Perez, so what excites you about stepping into a production supervisory role?
I'm excited about the opportunity to lead and mentor a team. As a production supervisor, I'd be able to share my knowledge, experience, and passion with others, helping them grow professionally. And the prospects of taking on new responsibilities and contributing to the company's success is truly motivating for me. And that's all.
Thank you, Ms. Perez.
Hello, this is Shanine New Moon, the HR manager of Trailblazing Dynamic Manufacturing Corporations. I would like to confirm the performance of Ms. Sumalpong. Yes. How would you describe Ms. Sumalpong's work ethics and reliability during her time at
Jahara Sumalpong demonstrated a strong work ethic and reliability during her time at Dynamic Solutions. She constantly met deadlines, showed initiative, and was a valuable team member. Her attention to detail commitment to quality were impressive, and she was well respected by her colleagues and supervisors. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
problem-solving skills, while Ms. Sumalcong, extensive supervisory experience, proven ability to manage teams, and Ms. Perez, effective communicator with leadership presence, highly adaptable.
Hello? Isa na eh. Sige lagi kang panawag.
Hello, this is Shanine Moon, the HR manager of Trailblazing Dynamic Manufacturing Corporations.
Ay. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, Ms. Sumalpong. After thorough evaluation, we are pleased to offer you the supervisor position at Trailblazing Dynamic Manufacturing Incorporation. Yes. Okay, thank you. See you. So, good morning, everyone. Good morning. So, now I will going you to introduce our newly hired production supervisor, Miss Jara Sumalco.
Again, everyone, meet Miss Jara Sumalco, our new supervisor. I walked her through the essentials and she's ready to lead.
Thank you, Mr. Prolex, and I'm looking forward to continue the great work you've done.
We will going to proceed to contract signing.